How can we make our life better? Can it happen in a snap? Kapatid, our lives don't become better by chance. Our lives becomes better by change. The current reality na meron ka ngayon in your life, that is a result because of your previous decisions. So kung ano man ang hindi mo gusto in your life right now and gusto mo itong mabago for the better, all you need to do is make better choices starting today. Kapatid, you want to be financially stable? Then start saving, start investing, educate yourself financially. You want to be healthy? Start exercising and eat the right kinds of food. Kapatid, by making better choices now, you'll be able to make your life better and better tomorrow.